Welcome to the channel. If you've been researching web hosting and feel like every plan sounds the same, don't worry. Many beginners get confused by hosting terms like shared, cloud, and VPS. They sound technical, and a lot of people assume the most expensive option must be the best. But that's not always true, especially if you're just starting a website. Today, we're going to use Hostinger as an example to explain these hosting types clearly, who they're for, and how to choose the right one without overspending. Shared hosting comes first. With Hostinger's shared plans, your website shares server resources with others. This keeps costs low and makes it a great entry point. These plans include a free SSL certificate, a free domain for the first year, email accounts, website builder compatibility, and one-click WordPress installation. Shared hosting is easy to use and low cost. It's ideal for blogs, small business sites, personal portfolios, and landing pages. For most everyday websites, Hostinger's shared tiers give you plenty of performance without needing any technical expertise. Next, let's look at cloud hosting. Hostinger's cloud plans move your website out of a single physical server and place it across a network of servers. What does that mean? It means that you get dedicated resources, faster performance, built-in caching, and a managed environment. Hostinger still handles the setup for you, so you don't need to configure servers manually. The benefit is more consistency under heavier traffic compared to shared hosting. Cloud hosting includes things like isolated resources, more processing power, and automatic scaling support. This makes it a good choice for growing websites, e-commerce stores, or business platforms with steady traffic. It costs more than shared hosting, but it gives you that extra performance before you might need full server control. Finally, let's talk about VPS hosting. Hostinger's VPS plans give you a virtual server with dedicated CPU cores, RAM, and SSD storage. You can choose the operating system and configure your environment the way you want. Key features include full root access, a managed or unmanaged control panel, configurable server environments, and support for custom software. VPS is not beginner-friendly unless you know server administration or are ready to learn. VPS is great when you're running multiple large sites, need custom software, or your traffic outgrows shared or cloud options. You get full control and isolation, but that also means more technical responsibility. Let's sum it up in practical terms. Shared hosting best for beginners. Low cost, easy setup. Perfect for new blogs and small sites. Cloud hosting, stronger resources, better performance consistency, ideal for growing sites. VPS hosting, full control, customization, for advanced users or high-traffic projects. If you're just starting, a shared plan usually gives the best balance of performance and price. Later, you can upgrade to cloud or VPS as your website grows. Choosing hosting isn't about picking the most powerful option on day one. It's about picking the plan that fits your current needs and gives you room to grow. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more clear, straightforward website and hosting guides.